The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. This is our Kenosis Gospel Reflection. And today, Saturday, let us ask the maternal protection and the motherly intercession of our Blessed Mother. In our Gospel, coming from St. Matthew chapter 6, verses 24 to 34, it is reminding us of God's providential protection. We just have to trust God's providence. He said, if the birds of the air are being fed by the Lord, if the flowers in the fields are being dressed well by the Lord, then why shall we be too much concerned of what lies ahead? What we need is to trust the providence of God. St. Paul, in his letter to the Corinthians in our first reading, said, "It is when that I am weak, it is then that I am strong." That is the perfect example of trust in the providence of God. That when we are weak, we are not anymore saying that I am trusting my own power because we truly are weak. That is a recognition. We need God in our lives. We need the strength that is coming from the fatherly protection of our God. That is what we should be more concerned about. And I guess that's the reason why in some of the more developed countries, they do not believe anymore in the power of God. Why? Because they thought they have everything. They don't need God's protection. They have absolutely almost everything that they want. But as Jesus said, fools for those who think that they can stand on their own, because only God holds for tomorrow. Jesus is our hope, and let us trust in His divine providence. God bless.